Hi there, Brilliance! This is our week 3 on our Project Kinis 2024 by Brilliant Skin Essentials. On my day 15, ito na nga ang aking skin condition and later on ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga na-notice ko and naging result sa paggamit ko ng Brilliant Rejuve Set within 3 weeks. This is how I do my skincare routine using Brilliant Rejuvenating Set. For morning routine, first step is Brilliant Kojic Acid Soap. Then step 2 is Brilliant Rejuve Topical Solution Toner. And for the last step for morning routine is Sunscreen Gel Cream SPF 30. For my night routine, meron lang akong 2 steps na ginagawa as prescribed by Brilliant Dermatologist, which is yung Brilliant Kojic Acid Soap and then yung Brilliant Rejuve Topical Cream. Also, habang pinapanood nyo ang aking weekly daily routine, let me share with you guys 7 tips to get the most out of your Brilliant Rejuvenating Set regimen. Tip number 1. Know your products. You must first familiarize yourself with products. It's about knowing when and how to apply the products. Siyempre, kailangan mong alamin kung paano gamitin yung products ng tama para tama din yung magiging result sa'yo. As being said, let's make reading a habit. Like, yung box ng Rejuvenating Set ni Brilliant, meron siyang direction for use sa likod and pwede niyong basahin yun kung paano siya gamitin. Before buying the products, aralin nyo muna or mag-search kayo kung ano ba talaga yung benefit at kung ano ba yung magagandang reviews ng product na yun. And then, always do a patch test before using the products. If irritation occurs, huwag gamitin yung product. And then, if wala namang irritations, then pwede ka na mag-start gamitin yung product. And make sure pala na if meron kang ginamit na ibang products or other brands, make sure na nakapag-rest ka mo ng 2 to 3 weeks bago ka magsimula sa Brilliant Rejuvenating Set. Tip number 2. Stay consistent. Using Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Set on a regular basis is the best way to get the most out of it and see long-lasting results. Make sure to stick to your regimen consistently and never skip days if you want the best possible results. With consistent use, you'll be able to restore and maintain your skin's natural glow for a beautiful, youthful complexion. And for me, consistency is the key talaga because nung nag-start ako gumamit ng Brilliant Rejuve Set, kapag naghihilamos ako, ang nafe-feel ko is sobrang gaspang talaga ng face ko. And dahil continuous ko ginagamit si Brilliant Rejuve Set, ang napapansin ko ngayon is yung gaspang ng face ko kapag naghihilamos ako is hindi na siya ganun kagaspang. Although, nakikita nyo naman sa aking video na meron pa rin mga marks and mga pimples, pero yung mga malalaking tumutubo before is wala na talaga. Tip number 3. Make sure you're eating right. Your skin needs the right nutrients and vitamins to stay healthy. So make sure you're eating a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Make sure to drink plenty of water too. Kung inaalagaan natin yung face natin, make sure na naaalagaan din natin yung inner beauty natin. So, inom tayo ng vitamins and make sure na iwas tayo sa mga nakaka-trigger ng ating acne and pimples like yung mga fatty and oily foods. Tip number 4, pamper yourself. Don't stress yourself about your regimen. Take some time to relax and be mindful to get the most of your Brilliant Rejuve Set. To lessen your stress, always do what makes you happy. Ako, I always play guitar kapag nasa-stress ako. Nagre-record ako ng mga songs or sometimes nagsa-sound trip na lang ako. Kaya pwede nyo naman gawin yung mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin like yung mga hobbies nyo na nakakapagpasaya sa inyo. And for the most important tip na sasabihin ko sa video na to, tip number 5, use sunscreen. Always use sunscreen. This will help prevent sun damage such as age spots, wrinkles, and other skin discoloration. Make sure to reapply the sunscreen throughout the day if you plan on spending time outdoors. Like me, binabaon ko talaga ito sa work para makapag-reapply ako ng sunscreen every 2 hours. And then yan, gumamit din ako ng Brilliant Lip Tint. Always wear your sunscreen guys bago kayo lumabas. At ito na nga, sinulit ko talaga yung aking sunscreen dahil magpapacheck up ako ngayon sa MaxiCare Clinic. And sinamahan na nga ako ni Hubby. And this day yung schedule ko for my repeat urinalysis and lab tests because I was diagnosed with PCOS and kidney stones. Due to PCOS, nagkaroon ako ng acne and pimple breakouts. Kaya naman I always make sure makaka-attend ako ng mga scheduled check-ups ko. As you can see, sulit na sulit talaga yung sunscreen ko that day. And then, for tip number 6, get plenty of rest. As much as possible, magpahinga at matulog ng maaga. Getting enough sleep is essential for healthy skin. Aim to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night so that your skin can stay well rested and nourished. Take note lang guys, kailangan talaga nating maka-aim at least 7 hours of sleep para mas maging healthy yung skin natin. Tulog na tuloy-tuloy guys ha, hindi yung putol-putol na tulog. At least 7 hours of sleep na tuloy-tuloy po. For the last and final tip, tip number 7, celebrate your progress. Just like me, nakikita ko talaga yung progress ko and sinishare ko yun sa husband ko na malaki na talaga yung nakikita kong pagbabago and changes sa aking face. Lagi ako nagiging motivated lalo na kapag tinitingnan ko yung unang picture ko bago ako gumamit ng Brilliant Rejuve Set and kino-compare ko siya sa mga naging result and mga pictures ko ngayon. That way, mas na-motivate ako and mas na-appreciate ko yung products na ginagamit ko. Itong 7 tips na i-share ko sa inyo is pwede nyo rin namang gawin if tingin nyo mag-workout din sa inyo. Isa sa mga pinaka-changes na napansin ko is yung pag naghihilamos ako, hindi na talaga siya magaspang. Nalesen na din yung active pimples ko, pati yung mga dark spots ko is unti-unti na siyang nag-fade. Pinaka nagugustuhan ko sa nagiging result sa akin ng Brilliant Rejuve Set is yung T-zone area ko is okay na siya, wala na siyang pimple marks, wala na rin siyang active pimples, makinis na siya and glass skin na siya. I'm so happy with my results and here is my sum up of my victory on my Project Kinis 2024 journey.